Schools attempting to slow the spread of the virus through mask mandates may soon end up in court with Missouri's top law enforcement officer. Attorney General Eric Schmitt says he'll file lawsuits soon against districts enforcing public health orders like mask mandates and quarantine orders. The question, can the AG's lawsuits stand up in court? News 4's Gabriela Vidal is hearing from local education and legal experts about that.
Yeah, Sam, I did ask Schmidt's office how many lawsuits we can expect to see issued. While I didn't get an exact number, I'm told that they have a list of, quote, non-compliant districts. But the list could change if some districts drop their mandates. For now, school districts and legal experts are standing their ground against the AG's threats. School district advocates and local attorneys are calling Attorney General Eric Schmidt's latest fight against school districts as a distraction from the ongoing pandemic.
I'm sure he'll file a case. I'm sure we will spend public dollars to defend our school districts and school board rights to make the decisions they need to.
Education Plus CEO Paul Ziegler maintains that multiple Missouri statutes allow school boards to make decisions that ensure the safety and health of their school districts, despite Schmidt's claims that a recent Cole County Circuit Court ruling preventing local health departments from imposing COVID-19 orders also applies to schools.
It has absolutely no bearing whatsoever, no effect on the authority of school districts to be school districts. School districts are created by state law. And they're created by state law that's completely separate from the state law that created the Department of Health and gave it public health powers.
SLU law professor Robert Gatter says these pending lawsuits could potentially lead to more confusion among the public or embolden people who are against wearing masks.
The result is that people don't know what to do. If there is a mask mandate somewhere, they wonder, oh, it might be illegal, so why even bother to wear a mask? And that's particularly dangerous as we're watching our hospitals reach capacity and as we are trying to keep kids in school, trying to keep businesses open, trying to keep universities in person instead of online.
School districts in the region maintain they have the right to continue enforcing mask mandates. Francis Howell, who recently switched back to requiring masks, says in part, quote, the court ruling referenced by Attorney General Eric Schmitt does not limit the ability of elected officials to put mitigation measures in place that apply to district operations. Schmidt's office responding to the criticism saying, quote, as we've said all along, the legislature has not delegated the authority to school districts to issue these public health orders like mask mandates. Quote, we have to stop letting bureaucrats find power in general statutes that has never existed before. Parkway and Rockwood school districts, whose school boards recently voted to extend their current mask mandates, did not provide comment on whether they may face potential lawsuits from the AG's office. Gabrielle Vidal, News 4.